Welcome to Kalpana's Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing two recipes from this green garlic. Yes, one is a chutney and the other one is a thepsa. Here I have taken a bunch of green garlic. I've washed them, and the only cleaning you have to do for this green garlic is to get rid of the roots. That's it. Yes. Now I will divide this green garlic into two parts and show and share two recipes with you. Fine. The first recipe will be the green garlic chutney. For that I'll chop the green garlic, just coarsely chop them, one green chili and fresh coriander leaves. And I'm using a mixer for this chutney. After chopping the green garlic and the green chili, I will add fresh coriander leaves. I will grind this to a smooth paste. For that I will need a little water. Okay, so I've added little water and this is what I get. The green radiant color chutney is giving fantastic aroma. After grinding, I will add the salt to it because this is the right time to add the salt. You know exactly how much salt you need for the chutney. And a dash of lime. That's it. Yes, I will serve it now in one small glass jar, and and you can serve this with chutneys or in your regular meals. It's just yummy. Now we will go to the next recipe, that is a green garlic thepsa. Yes, the ingredients are nearly the same except here I have taken peanuts instead of coriander leaves and 1 tablespoon oil. When the oil is nice and hot, I will fry the garlic, chopped garlic, then the peanuts, and here I have taken 2 green chilies. You know, thepsa is supposed to be a nice spicy dish. So, this green chili, dark green chilies are very spicy. So, I have taken only 2. But you are fond of more spicy chutney, you can add extra. Now, here you have to very lightly saute these ingredients in oil and see that you don't brown them or burn them, because then the taste will completely change. The garlic will get a little bitter in taste. So just slightly saute these ingredients and put off the flame. Now here I have taken them in my grinding stone. If you have a pestle, you can use that. In Marathi we say khalbatta. So this grinding stone, I just want a coarse grinding for this thepsa. So we don't want a mixer. You cannot prepare a thepsa in a mixer. You will not get the same effect. So this is fantastic. I'm already getting a fantastic yummy aroma. The green garlic is just haha. There, I'm nearly done with the grinding. Now this thepsa we serve with bhakri. Any bhakri you can have, rice bhakri or bajra or whichever bhakris you're fond of, and the thepsa. It's a yummy combination. So I hope you like today's recipes. Please like, share and subscribe.